ඔයා මේ අලුත්ම Honda Grazia bike එක දිනා ගන්න කැමතිද? එහෙනම් දැම්ම ඔයාගේ ෆෝන් එක අරගෙන 23:11ට call එකක් දෙන්න.
Hi guys, you're watching On The Way with Channel C, and right now I'm going to interview Krupesh Kavikar from India, who was the instructor for yoga sessions today. So Krupesh, how did you find our session today? How did you join? How did you get to come to this session to instruct our people?
Actually, I got the opportunity from the chairman of Buddhist Brotherhood, Dr. Dhamendra ji, and he arranged everything for me. And it's really, I feel so glad that I'm teaching the celebrities. And as you can see, yoga for youth. So this event, the motto of this event was to spread the message towards all the youth of Sri Lanka, not only Sri Lanka, all towards the world. So like, you know, it was very nice session and celebrity really enjoyed, and yeah, I really had a good time with them.
So in your life, how did you find getting into yoga? How did you find getting into yourself into the yoga?
First of all, if I have to say about this, so I must say, like, you know, before coming into yoga, like I saw in the world, like 90% of people, they are dependent on medicine. If you have fever, if you are sick, you directly go to hospital, you take the medicine and chemical. But yoga is the only thing which keeps you away from all this medical and all this chemical. So my aim and my motto would be to make this world free with the chemical and medicine. So I will really request to all of them, whoever is watching, to do yoga and inculcate yoga in your life, so you can not only stay physically but mentally and socially also fit. And a special thanks I have to say to our Honorable Prime Minister of India, Sri Narendra Modi ji, who took the initiative that the level and the market of yoga should go a long way in the world. Just because of him, we are celebrating the International Yoga Day. And thanks to my Gujarat government where I am staying, and they have supported me a lot. And right now I'm here, and on this day of peace and harmony, I would love to you know, give more and more to the people and youth, to spread the love.
So you first started practicing yoga for yourself, and then end of the day you turned out to conduct sessions to all our youngsters. So how did you find yourself in that?
I found myself because, you know, 4 years back when I came into the field of yoga, basically I was a dancer, so my body was flexible. So my elder brother suggested me to go and try yoga, because nowadays you also see, like, yoga isn't on trend. Everybody is doing, you know, yoga. And even the Honorable Prime Minister of Sri Lanka, Mahinda Rajapaksa, he is also doing yoga. So like everybody, the main leaders, like all of them are doing yoga. So why shouldn't we do yoga? So my brother told me, you should go and you should learn yoga and you should teach them. And I came into yoga, and my guru taught me how to teach, how to give the knowledge of yoga. Like, you know, there are two kind of teacher in the world. First is an instructor who come and give instruction, and second is a guru who give the vibration. So my guru told me, always give the vibration, always give 100%. So whenever I take class, I feel so blessed and I feel so nice that I'm giving everything and I'm getting a return of that. So always, like, in a good message for everyone, if you do something good, you will get the good. Think positive and do.
So we found it really interesting. He made it very friendly, and all the crew loved it, and all the sessions were really nice. So end of the day, like, how did you find the whole event and the participation of yourself? And do you have any message to give to our young crowd just to practice it?
Yeah. So the event was very good, very nice. The good message, a small message from my side, I would give that, guys, yoga is not about an exercise or like something like you are thinking about. It's not like that. Yoga is a connection between your mind, body and soul. Yoga is a really good thing. If you inculcate yoga in your life, not only physically but mentally and socially, you can go a long way. Whatever you think, you can do. And I will suggest to all the young youth and the kids of society, they should do yoga especially. And it's a good thing. Please try and please chant Om and spread the love of peace and harmony. Yeah.
It's really a privilege to have you interviewed with you. So I will really recommend all of the youngsters to keep on practicing, and then maybe you will have a lot of benefits from that, not only for the mental health, it is also good for the physical health as well.
Yeah, and thank you so much to your channel that you came and you are supporting this yoga and you are supporting the young youth to show something really good. So I appreciate your channel and thank you so much for supporting and showing the love and showing the positivity in the society. Thank you.